We are at one of our largest project, Provident Park Square on Kanakpura Road, Bangalore, where Starworth is doing the design and build of a 2.6 million square feet project. This project has got 19 towers, one basement, ground floor, and 13 and 14 floors depending on the configuration. What we will do, we will go through the project model and a brilliant experience center which Starworth design team has created. We'll have a look at the mock-up and then we will go to the actual project site where we will get a feel of how this project is being done with the use of a state-of-the-art precast factory and how these precast elements are being produced and erected. One of the requirements of our client, Provident, was that they wanted to give a feel to their customer that the product, if it is dissected into different parts, how the technical specification could be felt and seen by the client. Our design team worked very extensive on it and created a beautiful experience center wherein we have shown that by using precast and the conventional system, how the difference is brought in various aspects of the elements. For example, be it a wall, be it a false ceiling, be the flooring, be the windows, how precast technology, because it is all set and defined, can ensure that the right quality and the right dimensions will be achieved in the project. One of the most important thing in SICL or Starworth is our focus on health, safety and environment. This is something which we don't compromise. So as a rule, it's mandatory for everyone, right from top to bottom, that once they enter the site, they have to have the personal protective equipments, that is the shoes, the helmets and the jackets. We are at Starworth Precast Production Unit, which has been set up to do Provident Park Square. This factory is set up in a closed area of 80,000 square feet. And just to give you a brief, Provident Park Square Phase 1 has got 1.2 million square feet to be done in 2 years' time. Each floor area has 7,000 square feet, or in other words, roughly close to 300 elements to be done. Now we are working on a cycle time of 8 to 10 days per floor. So as to achieve this, we have got the equipments from Wohlert, which is the leading precast manufacturer since last 90 years from Germany. So we have a setup from Wohlert to do these elements. We have also got the shuttering elements from Singapore to cast each individual elements, and with this kind of a setup, the quality of the elements which will be produced will have a tolerance of plus minus 5 mm and a durability which will be much higher than the conventional system. This factory is one of the best factories in the country today, with all the modifications and the automations which has been done. One of the most important thing in precast construction, unlike the conventional construction, is that in case of conventional construction, once the GFC is done, the drawings are all set. But in case of precast, the GFCs have to be, that is the good for construction drawings, have to be converted into what is called as a shop floor drawing. So this is a typical shop floor drawing. Now this particular shop floor drawing will give you all the details which goes into the element. Like as you can see, when we do the precast elements, we will have the shutters. Now these shutters are fixed based on these drawing and the type of element which has to be made. These shutters are supported with the magnets so that these shutters doesn't move. Once these shutters are fixed, then the reinforcement which is prepared is bought and kept inside as per the drawing. Now all those fitments, the electrical conduits, all the cutouts, everything is fitted into the elements. Once all this is ready, the QC department checks for all the quality inspection as per the drawing, and then the concrete is poured and the element is taken out once it achieves a strength of 10 to 12 newtons, roughly in around 10 to 12 hours, and it is ready for dispatch. Then these elements are sent to the site and erected.